This is an old Edison phonograph that was found at an estate sale. Most people think of phonographs as playing discs, but this is playing cylinders made out of hard wax. The Edison Standard Phonograph was one of many models that was introduced. The serial number indicates this was made in 1904. In general, the machine was in very good condition with very little rust or corrosion. However, on the inside, all of the grease and lubricants were hard and dry. Everything needed to be taken apart, cleaned, and new lubrication applied. Notice all that grease and dirt on the mainspring. After cleaning and lubrication, the machine ran very smooth and quiet. New leather pads were put on the governor and on the brake. New rubber pads were put between the gear train and the mounting plate. The reproducer was disassembled, cleaned, and new gaskets and a complete new diaphragm. All of the pivots and bearings were carefully adjusted and cleaned. A new leather belt was made. The case was in fairly good condition and only needed some cleaning and light touch-up on the finish. The original horn was missing, so I had to find a new replacement horn for the unit.